Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have LENOVO Tab Plus and I want to show you how add event to your calendar on this device. To add it, swipe out the screen and look for calendar application. In it, we can change view for a month to be easily to add. And tap on the day when we want to add our event, maybe 2 of August. 2nd of August, and there plus icon and event. First step, you can add title of your event. There we can add this event to to our calendar group on Gmail. There we can set when event starts and finish, or we can set it will be all day. Repeat of that if we need it, maybe every month, every year, or custom. There we can add this event to people calendar. We can make video conference when event start. We can add location of that, maybe Warsaw, Krakow, what you need. Notification to that, maybe 1 today before, and we can add more than 1. There we can change color of your notification on calendar of this event. Description and attachment. After you set all you need, you mustn't add everything. Press save, and now we have it in our calendar. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.